Well, I fell asleep before it hit, but I was right. Tonga was next. Looks like China just hit a 5 mainland. Understand we had a outgassing yesterday from a Mojave, possible outgassing. Never know when you're talking about Dutch. I taught him on my Facebook timestamp years ago, 10, 11, back in 2011, 2012, how to do this quake predicting game before I got real good. Now I can hit them exact region. I told you what fucking island's getting hit. He gives you a fucking region and a time zone. I told you it's fucking next in the next hour to hit because I used this model. Very accurate. Very fucking accurate. Oh, jeez. That's exciting. Usually I don't open these while I'm recording. Because nothing in here is normal. Nothing. And it's new, sometimes daily. Interesting. Anyways, yeah, I expect them to continue all day, all night again. You see this channel? You go back to 2011, 2012, you'll see when I joined. You scroll down, it wouldn't be too long. You see me fighting with fucking Dutch. 2012, 2013. I told him, I said, we're going to have multiple fives every day, dude, if I'm right. Because I was telling him we're quaking because we're on our side. We had a sun moving in. Wasn't sure of everything I'm sure of now. However, we're having multiple fives every day. Multiples. And that motherfucker called me crazy, insane. Called me all kinds of names. We were having a fun discussion on this channel, timestamped with your hero fucking Dutch sense. The motherfucker's a hot sauce salesman. Recapping biology, 1748 hertz. Several tens of thousands of biological hits for 1748 hertz. There's a conical hat, Dingley Cobra, staff, fucking giraffe, 1748 hertz, 1748 hertz. And Derek Bros, Bill Gates, 1748 fucking hertz. Flying airplane with the full winds, the magnet, the way it works, schematic, on the wing, reading hieroglyphs. If you can't do any of this, you need to get your ass over. You see this shit right here? You're on the wrong fucking page. You need to be on that one. Video page. Oldest. And work your way back to my fucking catfish channel. Get the fuck off of here. If you can't read hieroglyphs, you can't fucking predict quakes to the fucking minute, to the zone, get the fuck off my channel and go back over here and learn. Or don't. Your life depends on it, knowing these things and fucking what's happening. You know? It's not mine. I already have the fucking information. You want to listen to this motherfucker? He's got the moon traveling around the globe every night, which it only moves 6.24 degrees every night in its orbit. We don't live on a fucking frisbee. Okay, so anyways, apparently there was an outgassing of steam over here in the Mojave, which I just told somebody to get the fuck out of Bakersfield yesterday. This whole area is going to blow, folks. Just period. It's gonna happen. Um, when? Fuck, I don't know. Whenever. Soon. It's already starting to outgas. It's got hot temperatures on the surfaces. And it is a huge fucking caldera. Bigger than Yellowstone. Um, Dutch was talking about it last night, I guess. People left links to the boy. And I clicked on it, and I was over there at Dutch's, and I cussed him out because he's a piece of shit and won't tell you. He's sitting there, I don't know why this is happening. This might be real in a minute. He's so fucking, what a jackass. Let me tell you something. We're on our side. Fucking Moon's doing cartwheels. He knows it. He's known it since 2011. Go check out my time-stamped fucking Dutch arguments. They're there. I said there will be multiple fives per day. There are multiple fives a day. That motherfucker called me all kinds of different kinds of crazy about it. So you go buy his hot sauce. Yeah, I know. Oldest first over here too. Gee, thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of quakes hit on the minute, the exact placing on the planet, and fucking magnitude within a half a point. Documented timestamp, documented timestamp, documented timestamp, documented timestamp. 2 years. Fucking impeccable accuracy. Timestamped. Since 2011 on this motherfucker right here. And I get better and better and better at it as it goes. Then I get real good once I start using this wall 2 years ago. Hitting them right on the money every fucking time. Which brings us to suspicious fuckwad here. For years, he'd been telling us that the fucking sun is causing this and the ISWA is inaccurate. It's a guess model. He can't prove me wrong because I have thousands and thousands of fucking quakes to the minute, magnitude, exact placing on the planet because of the accuracy of ISWA. It also shows very clearly, I can tell you when the Schumann's spiking from ISWA. I can even find ISWA's induction heating on the fucking Schumann frequency monitor. If you watch it and correlate this shit, it's very fucking accurate. It's a magnetometer. It's not fucking. It's like a ferrocell in space. It's not fucking guesswork. Like Ben here, the lying, cocksucking spokesman for NASA will tell you. This motherfucker here is just a hopeless flat tard. Obviously, he keeps putting cucumbers on a stick, acting like it's a moon, and he thinks that because he puts a magnet around it, it's going to be different. He's talking about making the, Lee, if it was the moon that was rolling, the shadow wouldn't roll. You fucking idiot. You fucking fucktard, you. Jesus Christ, he doesn't even understand that shadows do not roll on a ball because the ball's roll. He's an idiot. What can I say? He's a fucking idiot. This guy's a wannabe idiot. And this Five Eyes troll, I pissed off so much. He killed field rotation for all of them. Killed it! Killed it dead! Killed it dead! Dan Dazza finally agrees. Field rotation is not normal. Tycho should never roll like it is. Because this is Bisbane, and that is the view I should have from North America. That's Bisbane. You should never see it like that in Australia, ever. But that's a picture in Australia of the moon like that. That's not right. And Dad will walk you through it. Look, there's your field. Here's your field rotation. It only tilts a little bit, and that's at the equator. See, we walk you through all that fun stuff, give you the whole operation operandi and working models and such. The moon should definitely not be flipping. Now, here's the thing. I have offered several years $1,000 US dollars cash for one simple NASA link expressing how my moon should rise like a little fucking frown, roll 180 degrees, and set like a little grin. That is a 180-degree wax to wane roll every night. I want to see one single NASA link that says that's normal. Because everyone I just pointed out says it is, but not fucking one of them. They've got thousands of videos about me combined. Okay, there's several of them that have thousands of videos about me combined, telling me how wrong I am. But not one of them for 10 fucking years can bring me a NASA link that expresses how normal it is. And every time I look at NASA, they're telling me that shit ain't fucking normal. I drove the USS Texas CGN 39 around the globe with nuclear weapons in it. I had to know how to find a friendly port when everything went to shit. That moon was one of my indicators of where I am on the planet. I know how to use it a lot better than any of these couch potato fucks that you're listening to. And I think we've established, especially this fucking idiot. Go do your fucking homework so I don't have to tell you these things. You know them.